think the hardest thing about being a foodie is being a foodie with food allergies. So we're at BBQ-K in Glen Waverley, and this is our favourite Korean barbecue spot. So we're here at BBQ-K, and this is one of my ultimate favourite Korean barbecues in Melbourne. We've tried a few different places, but we always come back here. Number one, it's nut-free. They don't use any nuts in any of their dishes. The other great part is they actually cook your barbecue for you, so you can just enjoy eating, which if you watched my previous video, I overcooked a lot of the food. The service is really fast here. The meat is always top quality and everything is always really yummy. So here you order on your phone. We're going to order strawberry daiquiri, the Wagyu beef set. We're going to get the tteokbokki as well, cheese and corn, and we're also going to get the Korean fried chicken. I'm not sure what else we're going to get to try, but we'll have a look. We've pretty much got everything delivered to our table now. We've got tteokbokki, the fried chicken, condiments, and the Wagyu. So the Wagyu is ready now for us to eat. So we're going to dig into it. This is on the coals, so this is going to taste bomb. I think we will dip it into some salt for the first bite. This particular cut, it is so soft, like it just melts in your mouth. It's just so soft and delicate. That is so yum. For my drink, I got a strawberry daiquiri. That is so yum. It's really sweet and a little bit sour. I'm gonna try some of the Korean fried chicken. This looks really crispy. They've got some sauce as well. I'm gonna dip it in there. That fried chicken is heavenly. I'm gonna chase it with some kimchi. Yum. I'm not exactly sure what second piece of or type of Wagyu this one is. This is the second one. Dip it in a bit of salt. Pickled onion. I swear, every time I've been here, the food has been cooked to perfection. Even the fried chicken is so yum. It's honestly the best fried chicken. I don't want any fried chicken except for if it's this fried chicken. That is delicious. I'm gonna try it in this other sauce now. They give you a couple of different sauces to try. I think this is like a vinegar soy sauce or something, I'm not sure. That's so good. Is that still hot, that cheese thing? This is the cheese corn soup. This is like so yum. So you do just eat this on its own, right? Is it just to be eaten on its own?
Really, really nice.
That is so cheesy and so creamy and so yum. I don't think any meat is better than Wagyu. I think Wagyu is the best meat you could possibly eat, right? I think this is like a pickled bean sprouts. Pickled bean sprouts, maybe? I'll give it a try. Yum. Must have like sesame oil. It's really yummy. I'm gonna try dipping this chicken into the corn and cheese. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that, but I'm gonna do that. I think these would go bomb together. So this is the BBQ, and I think they got like fish cakes, cheese, onion, and some other vegetables. This is my favorite. Sometimes this can be spicy, sometimes it's sweet. Mum, you try this? Did you like this?
I love it.
So soft and chewy. I think it's called a fish cake. It's slightly fishy, it's not too bad. I'm gonna layer up this bite. We've got wagyu, a little bit of kimchi, some bean sprout, and a pickled onion. This one's the best. This was a genius invention, this corn and cheese thing. Delicious.
You can't put it on the...
I'm not even sure what type of rice. Is it cabbage rice or?
They call it purple rice.
Purple
It's
rice.
mixed with a bean. Some sort of bean.
Oh,
Yeah.
no way, it's bean. Oh, I did not know that. Oh, wow.
It's surprising what you learn when you watch the K-dramas.
I reckon. The best part about coming here is how quickly they cook your food as well, and how quickly they bring everything out. Everything was absolutely delicious. Wagyu, I can't get enough of this wagyu. I'm so full now. Because it's cooked on that coals, you get that yummy charred flavor, and the fat on the wagyu is just like melts, and it's literally just melting in your mouth, and it tastes so good. I think the hardest thing about being a foodie is being a foodie with food allergies. Coming here, I know it's safe to eat. I love Asian cuisines, but obviously there are some Asian cuisines like Chinese, Thai, Vietnamese, they use a lot of peanut. Every time that we've come here, the service always gets better and better. Really good service, fast, great food, everything that you'd want if you wanted to come have a Korean barbecue.